Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today I'm going to make roast chicken. This is my favorite recipe for roasting chicken. You need a 4-pound chicken, kosher salt, a roasting pan, and the oven at 450 degrees. The first step is to rain salt over the chicken and cover it completely. Now the cookbook recipe calls for rinsing the chicken first, and in making this video I did rinse the chicken. As you may know, the rinse step is controversial. Rinsing is not recommended by the CDC because during washing, chicken juices can spread in the kitchen and contaminate other foods, utensils, and countertops. Still, the notion of rinsing as beneficial lingers, so make up your own mind. Most folks seem to err on the side of caution and roast without washing. Make sure the chicken is salted completely, both top and bottom. I used the Diamond Crystal Kosher Salt. I've tried this recipe with other brands of kosher salt as well as table salt, and they don't work quite as well because it seems overly salty to me. But the chicken is still edible, though. Overall, this is one of my favorite recipes for roasting the chicken because it's simple, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients, it yields excellent results, and I came across this recipe in a 2014 cookbook written by Michael Ruhlman, and it's entitled How to Roast. After putting the salt on the chicken, place the chicken in the oven, breast side up. You'll want to roast the chicken for an hour at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can use this hour of time to make other dinner preparations if necessary. After the hour is up, remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the juices to return into the meat. At this point, you can check the temperature to see if it is at 165 degrees or more. And that's it. Good luck.